Which part him did there? Him did hide. It's time to catch him. Me not trouble you. Not trouble you, know. Because I'm going to go down the field, you know. Look where you hide. Kitty, behave yourself. Aye! My viewers, I don't know it's all about me and tips, you know. Try to catch him, I don't know if a niece or a nephew, you know, but him run gone. Yeah, so I'm on tips leave here. Yeah. Looking at camera now, man. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese. Yeah, my viewers, I have some kitten. I have some puss kitten here. I need to catch them, but I can't catch them because them wild. Come. 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 Them live on the roof, them wild like anything. Come. Come. Alright, now I go up on the roof and I'll go check them out, what them I deal with. What them born on the roof, you know. It's like up on the roof, them want to live. See it? Watch him. Yeah. Well, alright, that's so, you know. See them lifestyle that, you know. Watch the little white one. I little white one want catching him, want him to get tame. Yeah. Why and catch the little white one somewhere, somehow. Up there, they fix up himself like them a got a party, so them a fix up, you know. Them a clean up. But take time, go up on the rooftop still, go see if we can check them out. Watch the one that they bite the wire, watch him. Bite the wire like him thinks he can bite the wire. Watch them, my viewers, watch them now. Fun for watch them, you know. I'll go up on the roof, come. I see if me catch the white one. Watch them, watch them. What them I play? What them I play, my viewers? Can you tell me what them I play? Look like a upcatch. Upcatch. What do you call it? Upcatch. 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 Something like that. Upcatch. Something like that. Or lick and run. Like a lick and... Watch ya. Lick and run, never play, man. Because that's no hide and seek. Go up there, go catch him now. Watch me and then. Watch me and then. Yes, my viewers. Watch them. That them used to, you know. That them used to. That them used to, you know. That them used to. Seems like me cake a bun. I have one cake in the oven, it smell like it a burn. Can't make it burn if we turn on the oven. But them kitten here want to catch the white one. I catch the white one. I'm going to show you if I catch him, you know. Yeah, just like the one I have inside there. See him did wild, you know. And I catch him and keep on play with him. Play with him so till me notice one day my young scene just jumping on my lap. Me say what? Get tame. And that's it. From that, anywhere me them find me. So I need to catch a white one here. Look for the leather. Oh. So me have one side of the leather here. And one side of the leather here. So I'm going to take it off, put on the side here. Stick around. Alright, now my viewers. Me I go up on the ladder, I know go up on the roof because see if me take time look on them. Alright. You see one of them, you know. See the little brown one. You see the little grey one, but I don't see the white one. Don't know where him gone. Oh, the little white one, the way up top. The little white one, the way up top. Him they relax here, so. Oh, we can't do it now. If I go up on the other side, go up on one. Next ladder around to that side. I try and push out in head. Show you what they go on with viewers. In that, you know. The white one more and catch, because me have one that look like him already. Wow. Wow. Where am I go? Oh, I'm gonna go with the white one there. What go on? What go on in? You understand the language there? What go on? Come for fry flitters. Me have flitters. Come on, me have flitters and chicken leg. Come no chewy chewy. You wonder if he go or if he come check me. Alright, kid. You look for a white man there. Come on, nobody go up there, man. Come on. Alright. And if you guys know what that means, if I go up on the other side of the bridge, see if me see the white one. Alright. See the mother here. See the mother here. The mother this, you know. The mother this. Wild too, you know. What's going on? What's going on? The mother that, you know. Alright, I'm going to go up on the other side of the roof now. Go look if you see them. Mother, they carry me go spot them there. Mother, they carry me go spot them there. Alright. Ghana a different place. Dude, where they going on here? Oh, different one. Oh, different one that. Different one that. Gone. On the run, gone, my viewers. Alright. I check this side a little here now. See them round this side. Watch him down there, so watch him down there so they push up in head. He's like, yeah, things I'm gonna say. I think someone say, I can't catch me. I can't catch me. Gone. Alright, viewers. See if me go up there. Now. See if me go up there. Go up on the deck here. Gone inside the wall. Them gone, my viewers. Them gone, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. This is an overhead view of my little plantation here. Over there is where I'm going to extend it to. Yeah. See if me back it up. There, put some zinc overhead. Yeah. Carry it come down to this part here. Yeah, but this is the chocho bed. As you can see, the chocho bed seems like I have to cut off all those old spring off it and make it re-spring back. Yeah, I guess it will bear over like how it bear the first time. Yeah, so that is what I have to do. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of spring. There's a lot of upspring sprout from the chocho. Some is right here. Yeah. But yeah, my viewers, give you a view of the mango tree. Give you a nice view of the mango tree. Those limbs wasn't that low, but after the mango getting bigger and bigger and bigger. This limb here was up here at the ackee tree limb. But through the mango get bigger and bigger, it hang down. So over there is the same thing. And bear till them hang down. Star apple just a finish off a tree. But you know, star apple mean them not drop and the tree is very tall. These berries going out same way. Yeah. June plum is out same way. Jackfruit is almost out. Yeah. So yeah man. It's all about up on the rooftop, yeah. Watch here my viewers, watch here. Watch here my viewers, it's time to catch him. Watch here my viewers, watch here. It's time to catch him, don't it? Whoa. Which part him did there? Him did hide. It's time to catch him. It's time to catch him. Yeah. Little kitty. You know look for you know what I go on. Why you do this so? I dare hide from me? You know trouble. If me come closer you go jump. Can't. Don't jump man. Me to get a nice view off of you. Me not trouble you. Not trouble you know. I will come down and come take you down here. That's your no drop. Hey, you can't go back here so you go drop. You want to come up? Come. 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 Come now. Come me take you down. Come let me take you down. You can't go around there so you will drop off. Come here, sir. Come. Come. He's scared gone right now, grog. Right now, grog, my viewers. I'm going to go down the field, you know. He's scared gone right down the ground. Gone down the bottom. Gone down the bottom, my viewers. Gone down the bottom, my viewers. He's saying hide, my viewers. He's saying hide. He's saying hide. And I want him to put on the video. And he might hide me. Right, he's saying for hide. Look where he hide. Look where he hide, my viewers. Nah, trouble you. Nah, trouble you, kitty. Behave yourself. Aye! Why you the back? Oh, pretty hard. Where the back? Where the back? Where the back? Stand up. Stand up. Come. Where they run from? Where they run from? Come. Come. Thinking that come back, my viewers, but he not come back. I'm getting mad at there. Oh, I'm still underneath there, so. No. No, come on. This one are the tame one. This one are the tame one, my people. The tame one, this. Him a tips. This one I know him secure my garden. That's no body not coming in my garden, come, you know, come play around. Alright, you hear him? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, a tips. This one is tips. You know what I mean? Yeah. That other one, the other little white one, uncle. Yeah. Yeah, man. Come, tips, come. Come. I'm a security this. Yeah. Belly full of now, man. So he no time for me, because I'm belly full of now, you know? Yeah. Belly full of now, so he no time for me watch him. You know, go on if you scratch in head, you know. Yeah, man, can feel heavy. What you did I eat? You catch chicken last night? Come here. Come here. Come here, Tips. Where you come sit down about? He hungry. He hungry now. Him belly full still. Him belly full still. Him belly full. Hungry act like he hungry, you know? Him belly full. Him start think say I chicken them I go feed and take out feeding. Cause some of that thing good for you know. When me I go feed the chicken them now.
What's that?
When me I go feed the chicken them now in church out in neck and want the feeding. Me and him a friend. And he rub everywhere for me. Yes, cause he want feeding. Soon as he eat the feeding, he gone. Watch him face. Watch him face. Watch him face. You see him face? Watch him. Feeding him and feel fine because I always plenty feeding for him. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. Tips. Say hi to the viewers.
Viewers, hi.
Watch him now. Watch him now. Watch him now. Watch him. What happened to you? What happened to you? What you want? No feed no there. Me no buy no feed yet. You can't go buy feeding for me. Go buy feeding for me. You can't go buy feeding for me. You can't go buy feeding for me. Let me know me I talk about. You don't know feeding. You light out your light road. You can't go buy feeding for me. You can't go buy feeding for me, sir. Now give me no 1 eye. Now when I come quint me off. You can't use your head palm, but you can quint. You give me 1 eye. Tips. You have to clean up. Which part you have to clean up for go shop? Oh, you really have to clean up for go shop. Clean up, man. Clean up for go shop. Alright, Tips, clean up for go shop. Tips. Clean up for go shop. You go shop.
Let me clean up myself faster, man.
Alright, go and clean up. Go and clean up, man. Go and clean up, man. See the other one walk gone there. Tips, you go shop. You go shop, sir? You not go shop? Every time you tell about shop, you're there tidy. Alright, go and tidy. You can't go a shop. You can't go a shop, sir. Chewy. Tips. When they smell, I cake, man, it cake. It's so miss, you know, finish it. You know, wait till when me push the knife in it and drop it and it dry. That means it ready. You not ready yet, man. So stop smell. Sure. Stop smell. I mean, I'll give you enough. Just one slice, me go give you. So you still got a shop. I say we go want milk for eat the cake, you know. You don't want no milk. I say if you don't want no milk. You want milk?
No want no milk, I don't want no milk.
Tips. 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 One tip's not easy, you know. So him work, you know, watch him. Lazy, yeah? Watch him. So him work, man. Gone him gone, you know. Now see him until tomorrow. Tips. Take up a letter for me, Tips. Yeah. Yeah, man. I smell cake. Think you're an idiot. You smell cake, don't it? You smell cake? Yeah, my viewers. It's all about tips. Yes, my viewers. You see this little cat? Yeah. I have him from him small, just born. Take him from him mother. So I try to catch the other little white one there. Try to catch the other little white one to see if I can, you know, raise him the way there. Because they want the team, you know, tips, you know, everywhere me there in the garden, they all about, you know. I'm on my security. So if a goat come to go over inside there, him running at the house, you know, and I make noise, that means I want goat to go in at the plantation. See? Watch him down there, so watch him. Only that thing good for, you know. Only that thing good for. Sit down and consider which part him fi go from where him fi go. So him down there, so now they consider where fi go. So him work, man. I'll check him out still, see what I'm deal with. Watch him. He lie. Go on like say from man in India, so they work, you know. Nah, do nothing. Watch him, my viewers. You know how this is. Lie? Lies are shame. Watch out. See me no follow me. You see me no follow him. Tips. Still a follow him, you know. So nothing follow him, master. I'm a clean up. I'm on a tips, you know. My security. Yeah, from my garden. Yeah, my plantation security. Alright, my viewers, I'll leave him alone now. I can do what I do. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, the place don't look too bright. Look dark. It look rainish. As me feel too little rain drop a while ago for me, you know. So guess what? If the rain fall, we're glad because the time was so hot. Like we see what go on. Father God might send down little water. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, tips. You want milk? What you want? What you want? What you want? Banana cheese? Hmm? What banana cheese you want? What you want? I wish I go get patty and drinks in the night, yeah. But you're not easy. I wish in the night I'm go get patty and drinks. But you want patty and drinks. Look at you too. No? Yes, my viewers, we are go out, you know. Yeah, man, with the pan outside, you know. So, through the pan outside, carry out the toaster oven and put a little cake inside. Yeah. So we are check it out and see if you're alright. See, stick around, me soon go no piece here.